There we go. Hello everybody, this is Tom from Tom's Music Shop. I've got a new Corona IIIR accordion to offer to you guys. This one comes with a microphone jack, but I don't know if it works. I don't have that kind of jack to test it. And otherwise, it's in pretty good condition. The back's been rubbed off a little bit here. That's why I put some more bellows tape on there. So optically it looks a little nicer. And here is the sound test. I'm just going to run through the scales here one time. Here are the accidentals. And here I'm going to try to play Amelie. With tremolo and with the lower notes. I'm still practicing, but that gives you anyway general idea of how this plays. It's going up on eBay right now. Thanks for watching.